Hello, my name is Dr. Malik Haruna King, and today we will be looking at low libido. We'll be looking at some of the common causes of low libido in both men and women, and we will be giving ourselves tips to help improve our libido. Libido simply means the desire to have sex or the desire to engage in sexual activity. And if you notice that your libido is decreasing, it might mean that you have some sexual problems that need to be fixed, or some sexual disorders, or it might simply mean that you're getting older. How do you know you have low libido or low sexual desire or low sexual drives? What are the symptoms? You might have low libido or low sex drive if you lack sexual thoughts. You don't have sexual fantasies or any sexual imagination, or you rarely have them. Or if you're having distress from lack of sexual thought or desire. Now you have noticed that you don't usually have sexual fantasies and sexual imaginations, and that in itself is making you restless or distressed. That means the whole situation is significant and you have low libido. Also, if you noticed that you don't respond to sexual advances from your partner and it is causing strain on your relationship with your partner, and you also discover that this lack of sexual desire is not due to any medical problem you have or any mental problem you have, and it's not due to any medication you are taking, then it is also significant enough. And apart from the lack of desire you have, you're also distressed in your emotions, and you have this performance anxiety. You become anxious and restless anytime you know it's time for sex or sexual activity. And as a man, you have premature ejaculation. You come and you release before you want to. And as a lady, you discover that because you have low libido and poor desire for sex, sexual intercourse becomes very painful. So generally, you discover you have a lack of desire for sexual things and you don't respond appropriately to the advances and touches of your partner, and it is causing you some form of distress personally, and it is causing some form of strain and conflict in your relationship, then most likely you have low libido. So what are some of the common causes of low sex drive? Erectile dysfunction. If you have problem achieving good penile erection, or you have challenges sustaining or maintaining your penile erection, and if this condition persists for a while, it might lead to low sex drive. Secondly, and very importantly, sex drive is determined by our body hormones and our body chemicals. So low testosterone in both men and women can cause low libido. Also, low estrogen in women can cause vaginal dryness, which will cause discomfort and cause low sexual desire. We've also seen that estrogen and testosterone levels drop when a lady attains menopause, and this can cause low sex drive. Lack of sleep, not getting enough sleep, can elevate some of those chemicals, stress chemicals, which can affect your sex drive. Also, stress for a long period of time can affect your body hormones and your body chemicals and affect your libido. Depression itself can cause low sex drive. Also, the drugs used in treating depression can also affect your sex drive and lower it. Body image problem, the way you see yourself, the way you see your body, the way you see yourself can affect your sex drive. So if you have poor attitude or poor view about your body, your weight, your body shape, it can affect your sex drive. Relationship problems, conflict in relationship like resentment, communication problem, anger, conflict, and so on. All these can affect your sex drive. Also, some major medical disorders and problems can affect your sex drive. Generally, there are some medications that in themselves have the side effect of lowering one's sex drive. Earlier, we mentioned stress. Also, excessive fatigue might be the cause of your low sex drive. It has also been shown that excessive use of alcohol or recreational drugs can affect your body chemicals and your hormones and cause fatigue and make it hard for you to be aroused or turned on and lead to low libido. Okay, so what are some of the practical things you can do to improve your sex drive? Check your drugs, check your medication. Could it be that you are on some drugs, like some hypertensive drugs or drugs for depression that is causing your low libido? You could talk to your doctor about it. Rekindle romance by getting out of the house to grab a nice dinner, to catch a movie, go for a hike, or take a cooking class or something. Just do something romantic to infuse some life and excitement in your relationship and your love life. Exercise can improve your body image, decrease stress, improve mood, and improve blood flow, nerve action, muscle action, and improve some of the hormones and chemicals you need to boost your libido. Reduce stress by delegating some of your work or dividing some of the work to make sure that you reduce fatigue and exhaustion. Research has shown that some amount of fat can accumulate in the blood vessels and make it difficult for blood to flow, and so you might have to check with your doctor to be sure that your blood fat and your cholesterol level, everything is intact. Apart from that, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and eat healthy. You might have to see your doctor if you're having problems identifying the exact cause of your low sex drive. You might have to talk with your doctor or a sex therapist to help you identify the exact cause and help you fix it. Or it might be some of the drugs you are taking, then alternatives might be given to help you gain back your sex drive. Also, more on improving the romance in your love life, you have to keep cell phones and television use to a minimum, especially in the bedroom, so that you can give more attention to your sex life and be less distracted. And the use of lubricant is very, very important in low libido. It can help increase your sensitivity and also reduce any pain that comes from dryness, especially because the urge is not there. So don't forget to use lubricants. Reduce stress. Anything you can do to reduce stress, because stress is a big killer of sex. So anything you can do to reduce stress, please do. It could be massage, it could be reading, it could be taking a bath, practice mindful meditation. Just try something that will make you relax more and to reduce the stress. This will help the body chemicals and the hormone and will help boost your sex drive. So did you learn anything new today? Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed to keep getting amazing videos and highly educating videos like this. Take charge of your health and happiness.